Not sure how to use your Hisense AC Remote? Model number DG11R1-01. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Hisense AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The super button activates turbo mode for rapid cooling or heating. Press it to run the AC at maximum fan speed and power, bringing the room to your set temperature as quickly as possible. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the smart button to activate auto mode. The AC will automatically adjust the mode, temperature, and fan speed based on the room conditions. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer on button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer on function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Press the quiet button to reduce the noise level of your AC. It slows down the fan and compressor, making the AC run extra silently, perfect for bedtime or a peaceful environment. Press the lock button to disable all other keys on the remote, preventing accidental changes. Press it again to unlock and restore normal operation. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. Press the button once to activate economy mode. This reduces energy consumption by maintaining a stable, efficient temperature, helping you save power without sacrificing comfort. Press and hold the button to activate I Feel mode. The remote control will act as a temperature sensor, allowing the AC to adjust based on the temperature near you, not just near the indoor unit. Press the Clean button to activate the self-cleaning function, which dries the AC's internal parts to prevent mold, bacteria, and unpleasant odors. Press the Nano button to activate the air purification feature, which releases nano-sized particles that help reduce bacteria, allergens, and odors for cleaner, fresher air. Press the Dimmer button to adjust or turn off the display lights on the AC unit, creating a more comfortable environment for sleeping or relaxing. Press the 8 degrees Celsius heat button to maintain a steady 8 degrees Celsius room temperature, preventing the space from getting too cold during winter or when the room is unoccupied. If your Hisense AC remote isn't working properly, the reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Hisense AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.